In August of 2001, my friends Chris Murray, Jeff Johnson, and I decided to spend an early evening at Six Flags Magic Mountain. And most importantly, just to get a glimpse of the new X coaster that was rumored to be testing. We were in the right place at the right time and were able to watch the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th test run ever for this coaster. I have previously released most of this footage many years ago on YouTube, but this is the first time it's being released in 60 frames per second. Let's take a look back at the testing of the original X at Six Flags Magic Mountain.
You don't have too many cars behind you, so you know there should be a little kind of pull the shoulder a little bit.
That's okay. I think I get the idea.
Yeah.
Look at that
You can
drop.
see the second Raven turn is half as high as the first.
Oh my God. Pardon my French. Oh my God.
And that's just the Raven, my friend.
Oh my God.
Follow the bus. Let the bus swing its turn.
Holy cow.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Just park right here?
Yeah, let the bus roll out.
Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, you have no idea. If there was any question of me coming back out here to ride this, it has now just been answered. Look at that drop. He's at the top.
You zoom in like a binocular?
Oh yeah.
Well, that thing's got.
Chris,
Yeah,
what's going on right now?
we're waiting for another drop run. Apparently, we've heard what four drops so far.
With sandbags.
On this thing with sandbags and stuff. So they're still testing.
And they're
that.
rumored to drop one
There's
soon.
good possibility they're going to run one tonight. Going into the early evening here is 6:12 on the old what are we Tuesday afternoon?
Yep.
Tuesday late afternoon.
Oh, let's that's the 8 ball.
What's that?
That's the 8 ball.
Let's ask the 8 ball. We're gonna watch. Are we gonna witness? Let's see. We're gonna witness a drop today. Don't know. All right.
Do you get a lot of people here parked here?
Once in a while, but not.
They don't stay for a long time. They take a few pictures and
Okay.
they move on.
Yeah.
All right.
Take it easy.
You're gonna waste all your video.
Chris, being the A-lister he is walking over to this guy in his truck that he says he knows. He's probably gonna ask him if he's gonna drop.
Look at those cars underneath it. That's just huge.
Oh, it's big. What's going on, Jeff?
Lots of activity. We got a couple guys up there on the transfer track. We got one of the officials here in this white truck, and one of this guy who came down the red truck. He's sitting down right there, like in a viewing position. Oh, this is so cool. Get to see it test.
Maybe.
No, they wouldn't be forming a damn audience down there if they weren't. Oh, that was the most beautiful horn I ever heard.
Oh, yes.
You're keeping your eye on that transfer, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
1 minute to 7.
You got butterflies now, dude? I don't know why, I'm just excited.
Nope, I've got patience.
Here we go. There it goes. It's out of the station.
I gotta zoom in on the left. Have to.
Okay, it's hit the lift.
God. Welcome to California.
Fast lift. Here we go.
That looked awfully herky-jerky for the seat motion.
How long did we wait? 3 hours?
I don't know how long we waited.
Was it worth it?
Oh, it was definitely worth it. What's up, man?
This thing's hot, dude. Oh man.
How did you think? Your first ever look?
I'm digging this. I don't think it's going to be nearly as twisty and throw-uppy as possible. It looks very smooth and transitional.
I don't know if I'll be able to tell here. Yeah, maybe I can tell on this picture post.
That was. Oh, here we go again.
There it goes again.
Alan.
42 inches between the guide rails and 76 inches between the rotating rails.
And what's the steepness of the drop?
88.6 degrees. We thought it was 88.5. We were
Directly
corrected.
from the man who created it.
This is the fourth drop that we've seen. That means we've seen 50% of the test runs. They did the other 4 over the last 3 days. We've seen 4 in a couple hours. Not even an hour.
Yeah, I know. Watch this. Look at all the cars stopped. Okay, Alan, what are we standing in front of first of all? Your baby, correct?
Yeah, this is the X.
And
Fourth dimension ride.
the fourth dimension ride, the very first one ever built, of hopefully many, many, many. And do you have any words to say about it?
Just that we're missing John Smith out here, man. He needs to come out here and ride it.
Yes, thank you.